Hello and welcome to day 91 of Bedtime Welsh, and we've got a bit of a brutal set of monsters for you today, so I hope you have fun with them. Try and tame them. Don't worry if they eat you alive. We'll see you for some easier stuff tomorrow or whenever we do 92. So the 91 tests for you are, let's kick off with I don't understand. Can you remember how to say I don't? I don't understand.
Dwi ddim yn deall.
Da iawn. Dwi ddim yn deall. Next one. I don't understand how to learn more words.
Dwi ddim yn deall sut I ddysgu mwy o eiriau.
Gwych. Dwi ddim yn deall sut I ddysgu mwy o eiriau. Okay, next one. I've heard that you want to see something interesting. I've heard that you want to see something interesting.
Dwi wedi clywed bod ti isio gweld rhywbeth diddorol.
Da iawn, well remembered. Dwi wedi clywed bod ti isio gweld rhywbeth diddorol. That was a real monster. If you got any of those words right, you're doing really, really well. Okay, next monster. In fact, let's just one more monster for today, otherwise you'll fall to pieces. I have heard who is in the garden. That's a bit of an old one. Can you remember that? I have heard who is in the garden.
Dwi wedi clywed pwy sydd yn yr ardd.
Dwi wedi clywed pwy sydd yn yr ardd. Well done. I hope you're not actually bleeding. If you are, just ask somebody to get you a bandage. You'll be okay. The pain will go away eventually, and we'll have some more stuff to work up a sweat for you tomorrow, hopefully, if we remember. So we'll see you then. But for now, hwyl am y tro.
Ta!